Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody just contacted me on my Facebook page and said they don't have the boundary tool in X6. Well, I just checked my old computer in X6. It did have the boundary tool. So I took mine away. I don't have the boundary tool. So here's two ways you could try to find it. Go to this plus sign and make sure boundary is checked. And now you have the boundary tool. Now, if it's still not there, for some reason, you can go to Windows, Dockers, and Shape. And go right here to Boundary. And then you have the Boundary tool. And then that will make a boundary. That should always be there. I don't think that can be taken away. And I'm pretty sure I've still got that up. Let me double check on what that's called in X6. Yeah, it's called shaping in X6 instead of shape. So go to Windows, Dockers, and Shape, but yours is going to say shaping. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.